Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials and the very first action. Make sure both consoles are signed into PSN and Friends. Start a party chat so audio routes through PlayStation. This reduces confusion during control handoff. Once in your game, open the Create menu and select Share Play, then send the invite to your friend. This immediately allocates bandwidth and prepares the session. Do this now to lock in the host role and let the system negotiate a P2P connection before moving to more complex steps. Next, pick how you want to share. Give controller to let the guest play, or invite them as a visitor to watch. Choose Give Controller when precision is required, because it transmits input controls. Choose Play as Visitor to retain hosting authority. Then set stream quality, start at 720p to reduce lag, and move to 1080p only if both networks show high throughput. Make sure remote play permissions are granted when requested, and keep the party chat open so you can coordinate actions. To finish, end Share Play from the Create menu or simply leave the party. Doing so returns full control to the host instantly. If you hit lag or stutter, first lower stream quality or connect either console to wired Ethernet. This usually reduces packet loss and latency. If Share Play fails to start, restart both consoles and the router and verify NAT types are compatible. Once done, re-invite your friend. That single troubleshooting step, switching to wired, solves most issues and gets you back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.